beautiful at the Boyne River today. So quiet and peaceful, all I can hear is the birds. I mean, just look at this. Winter doesn't get more beautiful than this, I think. There are several places for roadside parking and one parking lot. The parking lot didn't seem to be maintained in the winter, so I parked here because it seemed like the best winter option. I followed the Bruce Trail main trail down into the valley and then to the Murphy's Pinnacle Lookout for a total of 3 kilometers. You could take that same route back to the parking or go around this loop for a total of 9 kilometers.